Have you ever came across a situation in your life, maybe personal or professional, when you were asked to speak on a particular topic without any prior preparation? Well, this is called extempore, and in this video, we are going to learn the art of speaking on absolutely any topic on the spot. So, what does extempore actually mean? Extempore speeches are unprepared speeches. Here, you are asked to talk on a particular topic for about a minute or two without any prior preparation. It can be in a business meeting, a dinner party, a job interview, or maybe an unofficial get-together. Extempore speeches are just like public speaking, but here the format is a little bit difficult because you get little or no time to prepare. Extempores test the presence of your mind. What does this mean? Unlike prepared speeches where you have a piece of memorized content to deliver to your audiences, in case of extempores, you don't have time to plan and organize what exactly you are going to deliver. Considering this situation, how well you approach your topic matters the most in your delivery. Extempore speeches show how well you understand your audiences and express your thoughts to them in the most simple and effective manner. It helps you to think on your feet and make your brain process things faster. But due to no prior preparation, there are high chances that when you start speaking, you speak way too much or deliver way too much of content or maybe not in an organized manner. If this happens, then it can be misleading to your audiences. To avoid such situations, there is a proper structure that one can follow to give the most efficient extempore speech. Let's have a look at that structure. Your whole extempore speech can be divided into 4 major parts. First, intro. Second, addressing the issue. Third, offering a solution. And fourth, the final conclusion. Now let's have a look at all these parts one by one. The first and most important thing in your whole speech is the introduction part. Here, you introduce your topic to your audiences. Always have a great opening. You can use a witty line or maybe a famous quote related to the topic that will help you to grab your audience's attention. This can be followed by a quick overview of what you are going to speak next in your whole speech. After this part comes the addressing the issue part. In this section, you have to deliver the main content of the topic. Share what knowledge you have about the topic with your audiences. You can add 1 or 2 facts related to the topic to make your speech more attractive. Apart from this, you can also add a few incidents from your real life or give some stories related to the issue to give it more personal touch. Following this, the next part of the speech is offering a solution. Try to clarify the issues that you raised in the previous section and also share your views on them. Finally, end with a conclusion. This is where you summarize the whole speech. Bring out the main points that you made earlier and lead them to the final ending. These are the 5 things that you have to pay attention to while giving an extempore speech. The first is time. Attention span of people is generally short. So if you get carried away or lose track of your time, they will lose interest. Focus on delivering short and precise speeches. The next is pace. Generally, when you are tensed or under pressure, you start talking fast. Due to this, your audiences will not have enough time to understand or realize what you are trying to say. So try to be calm, do not get nervous, and talk in a normal pace. This is also a good idea to vary your pace, quickening it at times and slowing it down. The third point to keep in mind is pitch. When you are speaking, try to convey the information with as much vocal energy and enthusiasm as possible. This does not mean that your voice has to be swoop or dive all over the place in an uncontrollable manner. Try to make your talk interesting. Emphasize on certain phrases and words within the talk to convey their importance and add variety. Now, the next is clarity. Whatever you're delivering to your audiences, it must be clearly understandable to them. Use correct word pronunciations and try to keep your words as simple as possible. Use simpler language instead of going for a higher vocabulary. This can be benefit at times. The final thing to pay attention to is body language. This is how you stand, your facial expressions, how you move your hands and your eye contact. Always keep your back straight, shoulders wide open. This gives a welcoming vibe to your audiences. Have a smile on your face when you speak. Change your expressions based on the content that you're delivering. Talk with your hands. Your hands and arm gestures enhance your message and also make you seem more confident and relaxed. Face your audiences and try to make eye contact as much as possible. If you're in a large room, tilt your body in such a way that you cover maximum amount of audience and everyone in your room feels included. This is all about extempore, or you can also call it unprepared speech. Now, before I end this video, I would like to talk about a few quick hacks that you all can use to rock your next extempore. The first is always stay on the topic or subject. Don't talk about unnecessary things. Stick to the main context and always keep your speeches precise. Next is stick to the time limit, because losing the track of your time might lead to loss of interest amongst the audiences. Next is create a clear mind map. Whenever you are asked to speak on spot, take 20 to 30 seconds to organize your thoughts. Quickly do a clear mind mapping as to what you are going to say and what will be the flow. Next is start with a catch. Now this is very, very important. Opening line of your extempore must be engaging enough to draw your people's attention. Once you have your audiences in the start, then it will be easy for you to engage with them in the rest of your speech. Next is conclude with a solution. Ending of your speech must not feel abrupt. Have a proper conclusion in which you're summarizing your speech and offer solutions to the issues addressed in the entire speech. A bonus tip from my side is always stay updated with the current affairs. This is one of the most important things to keep in mind. This is the one thing that will help you think on the spot. If you are always updated with current affairs, you can relate or give examples of incidents in your speech which will increase your audience's attention and make your speech even more interesting. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Please leave a like if you found the video valuable. Also, share your extempore experiences with us in the comment section below. And do not forget to hit the bell icon for more such content. Thank you.